So there are different types of representation of representation of discrete time signal. I am writing in short DTS. DTS is discrete time signal. So if there is a discrete time signal, you can represent the discrete time signal in various ways. You can represent either through graphical representation. You can represent it through graphical representation. You can represent via functional representation, mathematical function, functional representation. You can represent the discrete time signal in the tabular representation. Or you can also represent in the ways of sequence representation. So a discrete time signal, it can be represented via these four different methods: graphical representation, functional representation, tabular representation, or the sequence representation. So we will try to understand each different type of representation of this discrete time signal